Welcome back to the channel, investors and gamblers alike. Today we're going to look at some of the greatest Wall Street Bets trades so far this year. The first person we're investigating this week is user Beneficial Battle 42's crazy performance since the start of the year. He's up over $27,000, equal to a 417% ROI on the year. This is an absolutely insane return, and it's in large part thanks to some well-timed puts on Nike. The stock is down a whopping 22% over the past year. Congratulations on the gains, and now let's look at our next trader. Our next trader, Tripster, is a user who came through with an unbelievable 100x gain on his portfolio in just 1 month. This is truly the peak of Wall Street Bets that all users aspire to reach. He was able to obtain such lavish gains through his utilization of calls on Block Inc. and Dell. Block is up 91% over the past 6 months, and Dell is up a staggering 191% over the past year. Truly an unbelievable return, and one that will likely go down in the history books as one of the trades of all time. The next gambler was able to pull off a total gain of $18 million so far this year. 1.6 million of that came from a single trade on Nvidia calls. Unbelievably, he's planning to take out most of his gains and put them into dividend stocks. At just 1% per year, he would still be making more money than your average college graduate. Regrettably, I highly doubt that and expect him to be back on the sub next week. Keep up the gains, sir. User JWW2124 was able to make over $900,000 on Google calls. Google has performed exceptionally since the start of the year and really took this user to the moon. Although he closed all of his positions, we are looking forward to more unbelievable posts later this year. His portfolio is currently sitting at just over $3 million, so go enjoy those gains. Our last user today was able to generate returns of 10,000% on Nvidia calls. He's up so much that his broker is having a hard time displaying how much of a gain he really made. This is another insane 100x return, and we hope to see more from this new Wall Street bettor, as this was only his first post. There you have it, folks, some of the greatest trades of the year.